So, Livingston, it's nice to be able to have the opportunity to sit down with you.
My time is money.
There you go.
Do I have to be serious? Or
Yeah. No, you're serious. But I mean, you could, however you want, go.
Am I supposed to say that?
So, tell me a little bit about yourself.
Yeah, I'm an up-and-coming personal trainer, the next best Shanti, and I've been training for years. You can kind of call me like a underground trainer now. I've trained a lot of people around the hood. Stuff like Instagram, Twitter, social media stuff, Just put it out there, they see the results, and it spreads like wildfire.
Wildfire.
Wildfire. They pay a lot of money to deal with me. I give nothing but happiness. Come work out in the backyard.
In your backyard?
My backyard.
Okay.
Best training facility I've ever seen. It's no better than a hood workout.
How do you feel about celebrities who are using plastic surgery rather than working out and eating healthy? How do you feel about that?
Fakers.
Can you tell the difference between like the real thing and like the fake fakers?
Of course.
How?
The feel. It's all about the feel. Got to feel right.
Can you give me an example of who might be a faker? Just for our audience.
Pamela Anderson.
You felt Pamela Anderson?
Came into some money. Gonna buy some new equipment and everything, make everything a little bit more nice. But I decided I was gonna triple it, Things didn't go so well.
So, Sebastian, how's it going?
Pretty good. How you doing?
I'm doing pretty good. You've known LV for a while now.
Yeah, we actually grew up together. She's like 5 years old. We've been known her for a while.
Are you guys friends?
We pretty good. I call us friends. Yeah. Back in high school, he was like a loner or whatever. Nobody really messed with him or whatever. So I figured I'll be his friend or whatever. Take him under my wing, kind of whatever.
What ways do you support him?
Couple $1,000 this next project. Say I'm a jack of all trades. I do it all. Invest in people, the people around me, people in my neighborhood, people of my country. It's been a while since he paid me back. I figured I'd give him a little more time or whatever. You cool dude. But I don't know, it's getting to that point.
Getting to that point, what does that mean?
Getting to that point, I really need my money. He's giving me different excuses. It's this or it's that. Well, it's been 2 years already. It's past due. It's been past due. Like, look in my eyes. I need my money. Seriously. So, I don't know. It's pretty cool. I'm giving a little chance, but you don't give my money, it's over with.
Yo! I love y'all. I love everyone. Hard.
Where you at? I see you. Money, Livingston. Livingston, where's my money? I see you. Livingston. Hey, Livingston, where you going? Give my money.